Is it time to buy or sell Howard Hughes Holdings Exchange Traded Fund? In this video, we are exploring Howard Hughes Holdings in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on the 18th of February, 2025, and now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analyses. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and comprehensive analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 18th of February, 2025, our system has ranked Howard Hughes Holdings as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 2.36. Now, let us examine the performance of the exchange-traded fund during this time. We will continue to monitor this evaluation to observe how it develops in the coming days. The exchange-traded fund has broken the wide and falling short-term trend upward. Initially, a slower rate of decline is indicated, which may serve as an early signal of a shift in trend. In response, there will be support at the ceiling of the current trend that has been broken, which is $77.83. This level may present a second opportunity for a significant upward movement. According to fan theory, $88.19 could be the next potential peak level, thereby establishing a resistance level that may not be overcome on the first attempt. The current 3-month trend indicates a potential decline of 11.58% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from negative 25.99% to negative 14.62%. Regarding the 12-month trend, it suggests a change of 16.78% over the next 12 months, with a potential return between negative 0.91% and 29.99%. This translates to a price range between $79.87 and $104.78 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for Howard Hughes Holdings includes the headline: on Tuesday, Howard Hughes Holdings Inc. ETF price gained an impressive 6.77%. The Howard Hughes Holdings Inc. ETF price increased by 6.77% on the last trading day, which was Tuesday, the 18th of February, 2025, rising from $75.49 to $80.60. During that trading day, the ETF fluctuated 8.05%. with a low of $75.16 and a high of $81.21. The price has risen in 6 of the last 10 days and is up by 7.04% over the past 2 weeks. Volume increased on the last day alongside the price, which is a positive technical indicator, with a total of 2 million more shares traded than the previous day. In total, 2 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $150,120,000. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF was $87.77, while the lowest price was $59. Howard Hughes Holdings, traded under the ticker HHH, is currently in the spotlight following a revised unsolicited proposal from Pershing Square Capital Management, led by prominent hedge fund manager Bill Ackman. On the 18th of February, 2025, HHH confirmed it received this updated bid, which involves Pershing Square aiming to purchase 10 million shares at $90 each. This new offer replaces earlier proposals and reflects feedback from both HHH shareholders and its board. Ackman's ambition to reshape Howard Hughes into a modern-day Berkshire Hathaway is a significant driver of interest in HHH's stock. Such a high-profile endorsement from a well-respected investor can boost market confidence in HHH's future prospects, potentially leading to a short-term increase in share price as investors flock to participate in what they perceive as an elevated opportunity. In the long term, if Pershing Square successfully acquires the shares and implements its strategic vision, we could see a considerable transformation in Howard Hughes's business model and performance. This could establish greater stability and growth potential, further influencing investor sentiment and potentially driving the stock higher. However, investors will also want to monitor the progression and outcomes of negotiations, as uncertainties in these discussions can introduce volatility in HHH's stock pricing. Analyst ratings. On Monday, the 3rd of June, 2024, it was reported that Jefferies assigned HHH a buy rating along with a hold recommendation. On Friday, the 24th of May, 2024, Piper Sandler also assigned HHH an overweight rating with a hold recommendation. Earlier, on Monday, the 8th of April, 2024, Piper Sandler again gave HHH an overweight rating with a hold recommendation. On Friday, the 16th of September, 2022, BWS Financial assigned HHH a buy rating along with a hold recommendation. Lastly, on Tuesday, the 12th of July, 2022, Jefferies rated HHH as a buy with a hold action. Analysts have assigned Hughes Holdings ETF a general sell rating. They categorize the price-to-earnings ratio as a sell and the price-to-book ratio as a strong sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts have given the ETF a neutral rating. The following signals have been identified for Hughes Holdings. The Hughes Holdings Inc. exchange-traded fund holds buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive forecast for the fund. Additionally, there is a general buy signal based on the relationship between these two signals, where the short-term average is above the long-term average. During corrections downward, there will be support at the levels of $76.37 and $76.14. A breakdown below either of these levels will trigger sell signals. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Friday, January 10, 2025, and since then it has risen by 12.29%. Further increases are anticipated until a new top pivot is established. Volume is rising alongside the price, which is considered a favorable technical signal. However, some negative signals have also been issued, which may influence near-term developments. Furthermore, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence. Here are some additional signals that may capture your interest. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots suggest a buy signal from 26 days ago. Bollinger signals a buy from just 1 day ago. The short-term moving average also indicates a buy signal from 2 days ago. Similarly, the long-term moving average shows a buy signal from 2 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages points to a buy signal from 2 days ago. When examining the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average indicates a buy signal from 2 days ago. The long-term moving average shows a buy signal from 2 days ago as well. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 27 days ago. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Hughes Holdings. Hughes Holdings Inc. finds support from accumulated volume at $78.62. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be expected when this support is tested. Generally, the exchange-traded fund tends to exhibit controlled movements, and with good liquidity, the associated risk is considered very low. Over the last day, the exchange-traded fund fluctuated $6.05 between its high and low, reflecting a change of 8.05%. For the past week, the daily average volatility of the exchange-traded fund has been 2.37%. Before we explore the potential trading levels for Hughes Holdings, let's briefly discuss some important fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This vital measure compares a company's current share price to its earnings per share. A high PE ratio may indicate that the exchange-traded fund is overvalued or that investors are anticipating significant growth in the future. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Hughes Holdings. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Hughes Holdings is at $82.19. If you do not currently own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the exchange-traded fund, this could serve as a consideration for swing trading. On the downside, Hughes Holdings encounters its first support level at $78.62. If this support level remains intact, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Hughes Holdings from multiple analyst sources is to sell. Now, let's explore some recent insider trades. On the 5th of February, 2025, Christy Smith made an insider purchase of 3,293 shares of common stock, with a par value of 1 cent per share. On the same day, Jose Miguel Bustamante made an insider purchase of 3,285 shares of common stock with a par value of 1 cent per share. On that day, Joseph Villain also conducted an insider purchase, acquiring 4,940 shares of common stock with a par value of 1 cent per share. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we find that the insider power is positive, with a ratio of approximately 94.606. In total, insiders purchased 2,280,547 shares and sold 20,218 shares in these last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $77.09, which represents a decrease of 4.35%. This exchange-traded fund experiences very low daily fluctuations, resulting in minimal risk. A buy signal has been identified from a pivot bottom that occurred 25 days ago. Is Hughes Holdings ETF a good buy? Several short-term signals are looking positive, and the breakout from the declining trend suggests a potential shift in direction. We believe that prices around the breakout point will represent particularly strong levels, but we also think that the current level could be a good buying opportunity for the short term. We have upgraded our analysis conclusion for this ETF since the last evaluation from a sell to a buy candidate. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 19th of February, we expect Hughes Holdings to open lower by $1.61, starting at $78.99. We remind you that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss. It is advisable to consult a financial advisor before making any decisions related to the purchase or sale of securities. Your investment choices should not rely solely on information from StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the exchange-traded fund. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at StockInvest.